everybody and welcome to another video from us here at Phoenix Gold. So what we're going to be looking at today is a product in our ZR series, and it is the ZR10P. Now this is an under-seat subwoofer. It has a 400 watt peak output as well as 200 watt RMS, so it's a very powerful under-seat subwoofer. Now why would you use an under-seat subwoofer? An under-seat subwoofer will be used when you're very short of space. Now this can be used, as I say, under-seat, or it can be used, say, in the trunk or anywhere where you have a small amount of space. It can be used to add bass. Now let's have a look what comes in the box and we'll talk more about these compact woofers. So let's attempt to get this actually out of the box itself. So this is a 10-inch under-seat woofer. Majority tend to be 8-inch, but what we've got here is a 10-inch model, which is obviously larger and gives more performance. So let's just take this out and have a look. So the 10-inch model will allow deeper bass than you get from an 8-inch version. It's still in a very, very compact footprint, so it can fit under seats, it can be fitted in the trunk, it can fit behind seats in commercial vehicles. But this is an active subwoofer, so essentially what that means is it comes with an amplifier. This is built into essentially a solid cast aluminium chassis, which means that there's zero resonance, so you don't get any flexing like you would in a wooden box, for example. Super solid. We've got a nice steel mesh grid on the top as well to protect it, so if anything lands on the top of the woofer, it won't get damaged. So let's have a look at some of the features of the subwoofer itself. So if we just turn this up and show you here. What we have is we have some inputs. So these are your power inputs. So you've got the ground, the 12 volt and the remote. We've also got a low level or an RCA input. And then we have our high level input as well. So this is for if you're using an OEM system. So it takes a speaker level input. This is for using an aftermarket head unit. We've also got remote control input. So we have the bass remote cable just here. And of course the bass remote comes with it there. Then we have our input gain, which is essentially matching the voltage input of your stereo. We have a bass boost. Now this boosts at around 40 Hertz. So as you turn that up, that will give you a boost at around that frequency, around the 12 dB slope. We then have our low pass filter, which helps you filter the bass frequencies that you've got coming into the device. So it stops too high a frequency or coming into the device, so it plays less of the vocals. We then essentially have our auto power on and off switch, which essentially allows you to have the high level input. It means it will turn on when it sees signal. And we then have our 0 to 180 phase adjustment. So that there is the settings on the subwoofer itself. So this also comes with, as we showed you before, a bass remote control. So the bass remote control allows you to adjust the bass level from the front of the vehicle. So you set the amplifier up, and it allows you to adjust and change the bass that you get in from the vehicle. So if you've got anybody in the car that doesn't want to listen to the bass, you can turn that right down and then turn it right back up again when you're on your own journey. So what we also then have is a bag full of parts. So we have some mounting feet, we have the screws to mount the mounting feet, and then what we also have is the high level input lead. And as I said, the high level input lead allows you to integrate this subwoofer in an OEM system by using the high level input. So that there is the ZR series 10-inch compact active subwoofer, perfect for under seats or in any spaces where you've not got much room but you still want that bass. That's another video from Phoenix Gold.